In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments online using Zoho Books. This powerful feature streamlines your business transactions and makes managing incoming funds efficient and hassle-free. So, let's dive right in and explore the process step by step. First, you'll need to open Zoho Books and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, a simple yet crucial element comes into play. Click on the Settings icon. You'll find this located typically at the top right corner of your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where you can configure various options that support your bookkeeping operations. After opening the settings, the next thing you want to do is find and click on Online Payments. Navigating to this section is key because it allows you to set up how you'll receive payments. Within this area, you'll notice an option labeled Customer Payments. Click on it to proceed. This zone is where the magic begins. It's essential to ensure you're in the right place to align your payment acceptance features. Within Customer Payments, you will have several channels to choose from. Select a payment channel that best fits your business needs. Let's say for today, we're focusing on Stripe as our payment gateway. If your account is already connected to Stripe, you're ahead of the game. But if you're considering a different payment channel, the process is simple. Click on Set Up Now, follow the guided steps, and the platform will connect to your preferred payment channel after login credentials are entered. With your payment channel in place, head back to the dashboard. Keep in mind that the dashboard is your central hub for navigating through sales-related actions. Therefore, once you get there, click on Sales followed by Invoices. This sequence of clicks will lead you to where you can manage invoice details, crucial for processing any payments online. On the Invoices page, select the invoice you plan to configure for online payments, then click Edit on the selected invoice. It's here that you'll see the option to link it with your actual online payment channel, such as Stripe. This integration not only facilitates payment processing, but also enhances the customer experience. You will have the option to allow partial payments for greater flexibility, a feature that's often appreciated by clients who prefer installment-based transactions. Finally, conclude this process by clicking either Save or Save and Send. And there you have it. Your invoice is now set up for online payments through Zoho Books, streamlining your payment reception. By following these steps, you've just made your payment process more efficient for both you and your clients. Remember, utilizing features like Zoho Books not only saves time but also optimizes financial management, ensuring you can focus more effectively on growing your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been a helpful guide for setting up online payments.